Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the channel art or cover photo of your YouTube channel. That's very simple. But before doing it, I am requesting to hit the subscribe button and also requesting to hit that like button. First of all, you have to open a browser from your PC and then you have to type on the address bar youtube.com and then you have to select your YouTube channel. And now you have to click on the top right corner your channel icon and then you have to click on view your channel. Here you can change your cover photo. You have to click on this edit icon. If you click on that, an interface will come to change the cover photo or channel art. Now you have to click on this change button and you can choose your cover photo from here. If you choose the photo from here, then the photo will be selected, and after then you have to click on this publish button. Then the cover photo will be updated to your channel. So that's all about today's video, how you can add a channel art or cover photo in your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.